Guess what finally came? My heating element finally came. So now all I gotta do is put this into the oven and replace that heating element right there. Because you see that? You see how messed up that is? So now we just gotta do that, replace it, and we're good. I'll see you when we're done. Right there, yep, just push through. Yep, there you go. Got it.
Making sure I want no shot myself.